Why do the exterior angles of any polygon always add up to 360 degrees? Let's find out. The exterior angle of a regular polygon is 360 divided by the number of sides. For a pentagon, that's 72 degrees. Interior plus exterior always equals 180. So the interior angle is 180 minus the exterior angle. For the sum of all interior angles, use n-2 times 180. A pentagon gives 540 degrees. Common mistake. Don't divide 360 by the interior angle. First, subtract from 180 to get the exterior angle, then divide. Remember, exterior goes into 360, interior pairs to 180, and n-2 times 180 gives the total. Easy. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.